Bollywood actor Nora Fatehi on 15 September appeared before Delhi Police Economic Office Wing for questioning in connection with an extortion case involving jailed conman Sukesh Chandrasekhar. This is the second time she has been called for questioning by the Delhi police in the extortion case. According to the sources, Pinky Irani, who introduced Nora Fatehi and actor Jacqueline Fernandez to Sukesh Chandrasekhar, will be quizzed alongside Nora Fatehi. Both Irani and Fatehi have been called to join the probe at the Economic Offences Wing's office at Mandir Marg. They will be quizzed separately at first and then confront each other and will be questioned together. According to the officials, there are some contradictions in the statement made by Irani, so it is important to confront both Irani and Nora together. Also, Irani is suspected to have played the key role in introducing Fatehi to Chandrasekhar, so it is important to ask the unanswered questions and seek clarity. Reportedly, Nora Fatehi has said that she didn't know that the event where she was invited to in Chennai had links to this crime syndicate. The agency had questioned Fatehi earlier this month and recorded her statement. While Fatehi cooperated with the investigation, but there were a few unanswered questions. Officials said that everything will have to be seen, how were the car and gifts that she had received used, and then we'll reach a conclusion only with a proper probe. Sukesh is accused of cheating several people, including some high-profile individuals such as former Ranbaxy owner Shivendra Singh's wife Aditi Singh. He was allegedly running an extortion racket worth Rs 200 crores when he was lodged in Rohini jail. Fatehi was earlier questioned by the Enforcement Directorate in the case. According to the ED, Fatehi and Fernandez received luxury cars and other expensive gifts from Sukesh. Nora Fatehi had recorded her statements on September 13 and October 14, 2021 with the ED, where she had acknowledged receiving gifts from Sukesh and his active wife Leena.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.